Good morning, good morning. Welcome to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Guys, it's 6:40, Sunday the 6th, and I'm out here at my local Costco. This is considered early in the morning, and guys, the gas station is packed. Oh, the gas station is packed. I'm trying to fill up as cheap as I possibly can with what's going on out here in the world with this war in the Ukraine. It's really affecting the gas prices. I've never really seen this gas station, the Costco gas station so packed on a Sunday morning like this. This right here is next level. So this leads me to believe that the gas prices are really gonna skyrocket during the week. And if you guys don't know, California has one of the highest gas prices in the country. I believe that we have an additional 60 cents tax on top of just the regular gas for the roads and the schools and all the other things that they say the taxes are supposed to go towards. So gas out here is super duper expensive. So if you're in California, try to fill up this week as early as you possibly can. I've noticed that the gas prices have jumped within the last couple of days, at least about 20 to 25 cents, probably even more than that, because I try to fill up once a week so that I don't have to be going back and forth to the gas station. And I try, with my Wrangler once a week. Well, I try to make it last at least a week and a half, minimum driving, but I drive so much. I drive a lot. So there you have it. So, man, if you don't think it's affecting us, it's definitely affecting us. It's starting to hit the pocket. So you guys do what you got to do to save a little bit of coins. Gas up, gas up, and you guys stay safe out here at these gas stations. People get a little rowdy when times are hard and lines are long. So you guys stay safe, get your gas early, and don't be a procrastinator. All right, that's just my message for the day. You know the motto: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I'll see you on the next video, sometimes real soon. All right, peace and blessings.